To show or hide apps name on Apps panel in Apps panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. While you are in the Apps panel, tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the panel. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap the on off switch next to show app names to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off and only app icons will be shown, giving a cleaner look to your apps panel. Given to the function, by showing or hiding app names, you can customize the apps panel to match your style, whether you prefer a simpler icon-only look or want the app names visible for easier identification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.